Hi guys, I got some great news. Finally, all Gino, my restaurants are now fully open. And we have three priorities right now. Priority number one, of course, is your safety. When you enter the restaurant, we have some very cool camera that very discreetly check your temperature to make sure that you're nice and healthy to enter into the restaurants. All my teams, they are wearing PPE masks, sanitizers on all tables, toilets, bar area, and we also have special antibacterial menu. If you don't want to use the menu, you can download the app and you can check the menu on your phone, that's absolutely fine. Priority number two, we want to make sure that we continue to serve great Italian food. So all my chefs are now fully trained and we are also cleaning the kitchen, completely sterilize them every hour. Priority number three is for you to enjoy my restaurants. So when you come in, remember we have game rooms for your kids to enjoy. We have very cool bar area to have Italian cocktails, terraces so you can sit outside. Hopefully it's going to be nice and sunny so you can enjoy. If you want to book the restaurant, you have to go to ginodacamporestaurants.com. I can't wait to see you. We cannot wait to see you. Enjoy and buon appetito. Mwah! Ciao.